Hello, dear listeners, we are doing Unit 4, Section A, and yesterday I have explained question answer of this lesson, and today I will take the next exercise which is given on page number 72, which I am going to explain you here. Exercise A6, read the extract given below and answer the question that follows. So extract दिया गया है, ठीक है, ये आपके पेज नंबर 72 पे दिया गया है और इसमें जो क्वेश्चन से दिए हैं उसके आंसर हमें करने हैं. एंड द एक्सट्रैक्ट इज आई सॉ डेट एज द बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी टू रिपे द एम्पर फॉर हिज काइंडनेस एंड फ्रेंडशिप. So the first question is, which I'm going to explain you here, which opportunity is being referred to her? Which opportunity is being referred to her? And the answer is when the Blefuscans declared 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 war on Lilliput. When the Blefuscans declared war on Lilliput. Question number 2. How did Gulliver plan to pay back the emperor for his kindness? How did Gulliver plan to pay back the emperor for his kindness? And the answer is he captured the Blefuscan warship. He declared the Blefuscan warships and helped him in crisis in this way. Gulliver planned to pay back the emperor for his kindness. He captured the Blefuscan's warship and helped him in crisis. In this way, Gulliver planned to pay back the emperor for his kindness. Next question is, what quality of Gulliver is reflected in the above lines? What quality of Gulliver is reflected in the above line? And the answer is Gulliver's sense of gratitude is reflected in the above lines. Gulliver's sense of gratitude is reflected in the above lines. So dear student, here we have done exercise A6. Now I will discuss the next exercise. Exercise A7. A7, look at the boxes given below. Okay, each box contain an event taken from the story. So story में से कुछ ना कुछ event हुआ है जो लिया गया है. The order of these event is in a jumble. Write 1 to 3 in a circle attached to the boxes as per the sequence in which they took place in the story. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, ओपन से करके दिया गया है. ठीक है, इसे हमें ऑर्डर में लगाना है और जो ये सर्कल्स दिए हैं यहाँ पर हमें करेक्ट नंबर लिखना है, जैसे स्टोरी में जो भी सेंटेंस पहले आया था. ठीक है, लेट्स स्टार्ट. वट इज़ मैं एक बार रीड कर लेती हूँ, फिर हम उसके बाद इसको नंबरिंग कर देंगे. गुलिवर वेक अप टू फाइंड हिमसेल्फ ऑन अ बीच, his arms and legs tied up. Second, the emperor offered Gulliver his friendship. Number third is Gulliver repaid the emperor's kindness by capturing the Blefuscan's warship. Gulliver is taken to the emperor. Next is Gulliver's ship is caught in a storm. Next is countless little men surrounded and walk over him. One day the Blefuscans declare war on Lilliput. Luckily Gulliver survives and manages to swim. So यहाँ पर जितने भी सेंटेंसेस है इसमें फर्स्ट कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था हमें पता ही है क्या हुआ था. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है Gulliver ship is caught in a storm. So we will write 1 here. Okay. A second sentence is luckily Gulliver survived and managed to swim. So we will write 2 here. Next is Gulliver wake up to find himself on a beach, his arm and legs tied up. So next ये हुआ था, हम लिखने वाले हैं 3 यहाँ पर स्टोरी में. The next is countless little men surrounded and walk over him. So countless little men surrounded and walk over him. The fourth line in the story. And next is Gulliver is taken to the emperor. Gulliver is taken to the emperor is the fifth line. And the next is the emperor offered Gulliver his friendship. Emperor offered Gulliver, his friendship is the 6th line. Next is one day the Blefuscan declare war on Lilliput is the 7th line. So this is the 7th line in the story. And the last line is Gulliver repaid the emperor's kindness by capturing the Blefuscan's warship, the 8th line. So like this you will write all this number जितने भी हैं सर्कल पे आप लिख देंगे यहाँ पर. Okay, that's all for the day. Tomorrow we will take the next exercise of this lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.